Hi Raiders, welcome back to my channel. As expected, my mic didn't work again, so I'm doing this voiceover. So, guys, today we are riding to Kundapura. I'm not going alone, I'll be joined with my other six more friends. Three of them are going to go in the bike, and four of them are in the car. So, three bikes is including me, Santosh and Harsha, and the other thing, the people guys who are coming in the car are Nitin, Jaggi, Ashwin, and Sudhakar. I'm going to meet these guys in Nelmangla toll via Nice Road. So we are going to, that's a meetup point. We're going to meet up there, and from there we'll head to Shimoga. Shimoga is a place where we are going to stay for tonight, and my friend has some work over there, so we are planning to go to Shimoga. Let's see. But people expect some unexpected things are going to happen. The final destination is going to be Kundapur, a beautiful place with beach. So the whole plan is going to be like this. Tonight we'll be staying in Shimoga, and tomorrow morning we will be heading to Kundapura. The place where we are going to stay is Ocean Nest near Bijadi Beach, where we are going to chill out for 2 days. That is Friday and Saturday. Then Sunday morning we are going to head back to Bangalore. The stay which we have booked is Ocean Nest. It's a beach stay where we are really excited to go and spend some time there and chill out. Speaking about the weather is very nice to ride, but the thing is, it looks like it's going to rain. That's why I'm wearing the rain gear as of now, which is I'm not comfortable with. Let's see. We hope the rain doesn't come and spoil our mood. Okay, riders, let's speak about bike. The bike which I am riding is Harley Street 750, which I bought in 2019 December. And the other bikes which is going to join us is Triumph T120 and Honda INS. Honda INS will be riding by Santosh, and Triumph T120 is going to be ridden by Harsha. And the car which is going to join us is Varna. I don't know about that model or not, but it is my friend's Nitin. These guys are going to join us from Banaswari. Last ride was to Valparai a year back. In that ride, we've been to Valparai, Atirapalli, Pollachi. We had a nice fun. Okay, riders. I got a call from other riders. They have started now, and very soon they'll be joining me in the Nelmangla toll. So we have reached the nice road toll. let's check the road, how nice it is going to be. There is a speed limit, I guess. We have to ride below 80 over here. Otherwise, there will be a ticket raised against us, which we have to pay in the end of this road, the other end of the toll. So, better be careful while riding in this road. It's better to keep it below 80. Why unnecessarily pay the money? Can you guys see the flyover there? There is a display showing what speed you are in, and I think there is a camera over there. So it's better to be in a limit. I heard it's going to be a heavy fine against us for speeding. So check it out, guys, while traveling in this nice road. Passing through this road avoids traffic as well as the time consuming is going to be lesser than in the usual roads. So it's better to take this road. We can ride peacefully and reach to the place where we want. So I chose this nice road instead of getting into the city to reach Nelmangla. I could have done with going to Banaspati, but I wanted to experience this road. It's been a while, so I just continued on this road and told my friends to join over there. Till now it did not rain. So far so good. This weather, all the riders may like it. Even I like it for some extent, but this weather makes me a bit dull. Why is that? Because I am a kind of person where there is a sun. Otherwise, my energy will be low. This is not the weather what I am expecting for my rides. I call this weather as a lazy weather. I really don't like it. There should be some sun. That's when the ride is complete for me. In this weather, we can listen to the music. Music can keep on going. But how long? The weather has to be a little bit sunny, guys. That will make a nice ride, I guess. I like it that way. So riders, let me explain what all happened from here. First thing, my GoPro went off to photo mode. I don't know how it went to photo mode while I was vlogging. The second problem was, I met these guys in Bangalore where Asha's bike, that is Triumph 120, there was a leakage in the tank where the petrol was flowing, so we couldn't move ahead from there. So we got a mechanic a bit further. He was trying to help us out to stop the petrol leakage, but Asha was not in a state because he was so irritated that the idea which he gave, the mechanic gave, was not so convincing. So he was a bit tense, this is not going to work out or something. But it really worked out and we moved on from there. But we spent a lot of time over there, like almost 2 hours, 2.5 hours we spent there. By the time it was ready, it was dark, so I couldn't vlog there. I stopped vlogging. And one more thing, the third part was we couldn't reach Shimoga, so we made a arrangement to stay before reaching Shimoga. That is somewhere around, the Shimoga was around 74 kilometers more. By 9:30 we stopped nearby that Chandrai Patna to Shimoga road, where this hotel called Bansi located. So we thought it would be better to stay here instead of continuing the ride because it was already late. So we are tired actually. So we all decided to stay there, and we have had a bad experience in this hotel as well. Because the thing is, they didn't give the remote, AC remote, and they had a lot of arguments about this, with AC and without AC. At last we didn't get the remote. We didn't get the remote as just the ego part played a major role over there. So the whole night I couldn't sleep because of that. And the morning routine in the bathroom all was done in the hot water. There was no cold water. So don't go to this hotel. This is the place. Can you see the bike? This is the mechanic shop where the bike got fixed. He is Arsha and he is Santosh. I would recommend this mechanic. If you guys have any problem it's near the Nelmangla toll, and this is the place where we stayed, so-called Bansi Hotel. Bansi. There was a kingfisher over there on that wire, so I was just recording it. Let me show the room where we stayed. This was the surrounding where we couldn't see in the night. Can you guys see the ceiling fan? And there is no ceiling fan. Yeah, and AC. This is Hotel Bansi. Check what my friends have to say about this hotel.
இவர்தான் ஜக்கின்ட்டு
ஹாய்
சொல்லு இந்த ஹோட்டல் பத்தி.
இந்த ஹோட்டல் ரொம்ப கேவலமா இருக்குது. வெரி பேட். பாத்ரூம் போனா தண்ணி இல்ல, ஃப்ளஷ்ல தண்ணி வருது இல்ல, கன்ல தண்ணி வருது இல்ல, வாஷ் பேஷன்ல தண்ணி வருது இல்ல, வெறும் குளிக்கிறதுக்கு மட்டும் தண்ணி வருது.
இவன் பேர் சுதாகர், இவன் இன்னொரு என் ஃப்ரெண்டு. இவன் இப்ப என்ன இந்த ஹோட்டல் பத்தி சொல்ல.
இது ஹோட்டலே இல்ல, வராதீங்கோ, யாரும் வராதீங்கோ. கேவலமான ஒரு ஹோட்டல்னா இதுதான். கை கழுவுறதுக்கு வாஷ் பேஷன்ல தண்ணி வராது, ஏசி குடுக்குறோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு மப்பன்ட்டாங்கோ. அவ்வளோதான், வராதுங்கோ, அவ்வளோதான்.
ஓகே, இதுதான் சொல்லு மச்சான்.
One of the worst hotels. Bed sinks in. Cannot sleep properly. Whole night heat. There is not even removed the cover of the bed sheets. Stinks. Not washed. All around there is one nala. So absolutely smell all around. Then no water.
Done.